Ever wondered how to make a decadent chocolate raspberry dessert at home? This is a journey of flavors, of textures, and of pure indulgence. Welcome to the world of chocolate raspberry decadence. First, the soul of this dessert, a rich, velvety dark chocolate mousse. This mousse starts with a base of high-quality dark chocolate, melted until it's smooth and glossy. Then it's combined with whipped cream, creating a mousse that's as light as a cloud but filled with intense chocolate flavor. Next, the heart of this dessert, a vibrant raspberry coulis. Fresh, ripe raspberries are pureed and then strained, creating a coulis that's smooth, tangy, and bursting with the essence of the fruit. The coulis is then swirled into the chocolate mousse, creating a beautiful marbled effect. The backbone of this dessert is the almond tuile cookies. These delicate crispy cookies are made with ground almonds, sugar, and butter, then baked until golden brown. They add a delightful crunch that contrasts beautifully with the smooth mousse and coulis. The crown of this dessert is a lightly sweetened whipped white chocolate ganache. This ganache is made with the finest white chocolate, whipped until it's light and fluffy. It's then layered on top of the mousse and coulis, adding a sweet, creamy element that perfectly balances the dark chocolate and tart raspberry flavors. The final touch? A garnish of fresh raspberries and a dusting of cocoa powder. It's a dessert that's as beautiful to look at as it is to eat. To assemble, start with a layer of dark chocolate mousse in a dessert glass. Swirl in the raspberry coulis, then add a layer of the whipped white chocolate ganache. Top with the almond tuile cookies, then garnish with fresh raspberries and a dusting of cocoa powder. Serve chilled, and prepare for a symphony of flavors that will dance on your taste buds. This chocolate raspberry decadence is a dessert that's sure to impress. It's a balance of flavors and textures. The rich dark chocolate, the tart raspberry, the sweet white chocolate, and the crispy almond cookies. It's a dessert that's worth every single bite. So why not give it a try? Dive into the world of decadent desserts and create your very own chocolate raspberry decadence at home. Enjoy the journey, enjoy the process, and most of all, enjoy the taste.